Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Two Stars Sudoku. Two Stars Sudoku, not in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, April the 29th, 2023. It's today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Friday, April the 29th, 28th, correction, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the cipher block, in Dutch, in English, the tectonic, in Japanese, Suguru. But you're interested in this one, the Sudoku with 2 stars, number 6360. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is the 4. Oh, wait. Correction. 3. 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only. Place left for 3 should be there. Need a 9 here. The 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Oh, wait. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 7, 6, 5. 5. Right. Need an 8 here. 5. Come on. 8. 4. 4. 4. Well, come on. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between set column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row above, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2, 5, 6, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, and look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 6. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Well, I think the 4 should be here because we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes here, the 4. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7, I believe, yeah. Let me mark those. 1 and a 7. Alright, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay, 2 and a 5. 7. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. Third row. No 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 here. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 7 more. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5, 2, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So 1 digit left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, 9, the 1. No, we have a 9. The 1, the 2 is missing here. 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes elevated 7. We have a 7 now in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes, the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. The 9. So we have a 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row, third row for number 1. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes and there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Almost finished. Almost finished. 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 here in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. All right. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the interruption. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.